How to report someone on LinkedIn. To report someone on LinkedIn, first of all, you simply have to go ahead and then launch the LinkedIn application onto your device. Now you simply have to visit the profile page or search for it using the search bar or My Networks. Once you find the profile itself, access their profile page. From here, you simply have to go ahead and tap on the three dotted menu icon right next to the follow and message option. Once you tap on this, tap the report or block option. From here, tap on the report option. You can select two options, the profile element or the entire profile itself. Once you go through any of these options, go ahead and select the option that best fits your issue. Once you select any of these, you simply have to go ahead and then provide the details and tap submit. Once you do this, the person will be blocked and also reported. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.